How to log into Shein account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top left, click on Sign in/register. After you click on Sign in/register on the top left, here, to log into your account, simply add your email or phone number. After you've added your email or phone number, you can press on Continue, then add your password, and you will be logged into your Shein account. This is how to log into Shein account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.